Dahil sa isang bulaklak, sumilang ang pag-ibig. Bawat tibok ng kanyang puso ay luha at paghihirap. Puso'y sadyang nagtiis, nagdusa sa pag-ibig. Di magbabago kailanman ang pagmamahal. Yan ang pag-ibig dahil sa isang bulaklak. Dahil sa Isang Bulaklak was my father's favorite song. My father loves kundimans. It was my father who first taught me how to cook. It was also my father who first made me realize that to serve and to love your family is both an honor and a pleasure. Good evening, guys. Tonight I'm not going to be able to show you a new video. There's a problem with our lighting fixtures, and my son, who's also my director and editor, can only do this for me during weekends. So tonight I'll just be showing you one of our very first videos, cooking videos. Please don't forget to click, like, and subscribe on the link. And let me leave you with this. As our parents grow older, they may become more cumbersome. There will be stories that they will repeat often. Just listen to them patiently. Because when they're gone, you would give anything just to hear their voice again. And as they grow older, you naturally grow older too. There will be conflicts, there will be arguments, but again, be more patient. And always, always let gratitude and love rule the day and rule your heart. I love you, Pa. I miss you so much. Di magbabago kailanman ang pagmamahal. Yan ang pag-ibig dahil sa isang bulaklak. Yan ang pag-ibig dahil sa isang bulaklak. Love you, Pa. Thanks for everything. Thank you, guys. Good evening. God bless and protect all of us. Good morning, guys. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Today I'm going to make garlic mushroom chicken. We're going to use a combination of thigh and wings. First, we're going to soak the chicken or sprinkle the chicken with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. And also thyme and rosemary. And then these one are for the sauce. For the sauce, we have dried mushroom. I would have preferred to use fresh mushrooms, but due to the quarantine, I'm forced to use dried mushroom. Dried mushroom, butter, minced garlic, and again, thyme and rosemary. We're going to just sprinkle it with some salt and pepper later. So we're going to start by putting the powder on the chicken, and then we're going to fry the chicken. Suddenly, I'm not of the man I used to be. Now we're going to start frying the chicken in medium heat. We're going to fry them just for a few minutes, about 10 minutes for each per side. Well, perhaps next time I can sing while cooking. No, I'm just kidding. So now we're going to take them out because it's brown, cooked actually. Now we've taken out all the chicken. Now we're going to make the sauce. First you put the butter. This is the oil from the chicken. And then we'll put the garlic. And then the dried mushrooms. Now we'll put in the thyme, the rosemary, with salt and pepper. We're going to let this simmer for just a few minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken a little, and then we'll put the chicken back in. I wish I had a bigger pan to do this in, a deeper one. We're going to lower the heat a little and continue mixing this until every piece of chicken gets the garlic mushroom season or the garlic mushroom sauce. This is actually done except for the eating. I'm going to show you the finished product later. So here's our finished product, garlic mushroom chicken. So let me repeat the process for you. First, we have part thighs and part wings. That's the part I decided to use. And then I drenched them in garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, dried thyme and dried rosemary. And then I fried them first. When they were golden brown, I took them out and then I proceeded to make the sauce. The sauce is the oil wherein I fried the chicken, and then I put butter and dried thyme, dried rosemary, dried mushrooms and garlic, and then I mixed them all back in, and voila, we have garlic mushroom chicken. It also smells very, very good. I'd like to thank my director and my videographer, Nicolo de Guzman, and I'd also like to ask all of you to subscribe to his channel, Photogenic. Thank you guys. Until next time, have a blessed Sunday.